where I would love to go to Iceland and see the northern lights, because that's been on my bucket list forever. Not to mention that like blue lagoon water thing looks so cool. Wow, look at that. You guys, welcome to Iceland. Yep, that's me. And today I'm finally on my dream vacay in Iceland. It all started when I hopped on the plane at LAX, literally, with me and my little sister, Alyssa. Hi, Alyssa. After a very long journey and quite a bit of time travel, we landed in Reykjavik, Iceland, which basically looks like what you would imagine if you suddenly moved into a tiny snow globe. So, what did I do on my dream holiday? Well, honestly, what didn't I do? But I don't need to tell you now. I'll just show you. Let's start from the beginning. Welcome to Iceland! Alright, let's start our Icelandic adventure. So our Frozen-esque journey began with a stay at the Blue Lagoon Retreat. The coolest hotel I've ever stayed in. Metaphorically and also literally. Cool. Or cold. Look at that. Do you see outside? Oh my god. This is so cool. It's too pretty and I'm gonna break it. Our room was literally unbelievable. It was so modern and chic, and look at this view. Oh my god. Winter wonderland. Wow, even the tub is aesthetic. So modern, so chic, so fabulous. I look crazy, but whoa, look at this. Oh, weird. I honestly felt like I was living in a snow globe here. Wow, look at that. You can just walk around the hotel in your spa outfit. I'm living. But of course, we didn't just sit in the room the whole time. We had to check out the Blue Lagoon. All right, we're going to the Blue Lagoon. Woo! Yeah, I think they assumed we were going to be a couple because they only gave us one pair of women's shoes, so that's hilarious. Wow! Look at that. This is so beautiful.
This is insane.
Into the unknown. It's cold. So, in the blizzardy snow, we decided to get in the giant hot tub that is the Blue Lagoon. Oh my god, this is so cool. Look at this. Hi, Alyssa. Hi. This is literally the prettiest thing I've ever seen. What? Look at the water. It's so blue. Don't worry, the water is literally warm and not to mention so beautiful. This is amazing. I had entirely way too much fun in here. I took like 7 million selfies and 7 million pictures, but it was unreal, literally. Oh, it's literally snowing. Oh my god, this is insane. I think I got one.
I think I just look like a dumbass.
This is amazing. Look at our hair.
We're voguing.
My hands are getting frostbite.
Mine have it.
Greetings from Iceland. Is literally unbelievable.
Oh, I didn't know.
Got it from our mama. It's sunny now. Woo!
Coming back inside is so cold.
Okay, anyways, let's put our robes back on. Yeah. After we got inside from our freezing rendezvous, we decided to go to the spa. Wow. Not allowed to film in here, so that's why we're in the bathroom still. So I had a massage. It was amazing. I wasn't allowed to film that, but well, you can tell how good a massage was based on how your eyelashes look after. So I give that 10 out of 10 stars. P.S. I just got a TikTok if you want to follow that. I don't know what I'm doing, but anyways. So after our luxurious winter spa adventures, we migrated down to the main town of Reykjavik to the Hotel Borg for the rest of our time in the snowy wonderland. Hi! Oh, it's so cute in here. Look at the snow. Wow. So our first order of business was to take our horse to the Old Town Road. Or, you know, a snow pony. Hi, sweethearts. Oh my goodness, you're so cute. Hello. Hi, sweet baby. Oh my god, I'm in love with you. Hi. All right, we're getting ready to ride the ponies. Ready?
Yep, very.
Whoa! This is a look. Wow. Look at that sunrise. Look at this. Unbelievable. Hi, baby. I love you. Say hi. Oh no, my eyebrows are gonna be so messed up, but here we go. Hi from Iceland! Oh! I could not believe this was real the entire time. It was like, oh, so magical. I'm not one to go somewhere and not go sightseeing, so of course, we sightseeing, whatever. We're going up. We visited the beautiful chapel that I can't pronounce the name, but... Oh, look at that. Whoa. Ooh, we gotta go up quite a few stairs. Okay, we walked all the way to the top of the tower. Look at this. Wow. This is amazing. We even went on a full sightseeing tour. It's a blizzarding out there. I am bundled up. So we drove through some very treacherous terrain. Like, does this not scare anyone else? I was absolutely petrified like the entire time. But we visited something called the Golden Circle, which was a national park. Wow. Look at that. This is insane. Hi. This is so pretty. Some natural hot spring geysers. Little geyser. This is so cool. Double toil and trouble. Look at this. This is crazy. Look at this bench. This is crazy. Wow. Whoa! That's crazy. That just scared the shit out of us. Like, we've been sitting waiting for it. She got terrified. And part 3 was a waterfall, which I honestly wish I had more footage of this, but there are no words to describe how windy and cold it was. I actually literally thought I was going to die. Oh my God, look at the wind! So after that, we decided to try some more indoory safe activities, like, you know, shopping. Alrighty, let's go shopping. Okay, so this is the main little shopping street. It is literally adorable. Why are we like at the North Pole? This is so cute. Oh my God, a little Christmas dreamland. Oh. Oh my God, this is gorgeous. Fantastic. Yay. Oh. Bitches love it. Hello. Whoa, this is cool. I look like a murderer with these gloves. Hello. A very fluffy murderer. A little Icelandic candy store. Yum, 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 yum. Ooh, look at this. This is crazy. Fashion. Hello. This is me after looking at that waterfall.
I ultimately ended up buying a cute little mug because I get a mug everywhere. And these cute little glass figurines from the Christmas store. Oh my God, I love them.
You can really see our breath. Right? Chugga, 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 chugga. Love that. I'm a hoe for learning, so we also popped into the local museum for a little bit of Icelandic culture. I love museums. I'm such a nerd. Whoa! A polar bear. My boyfriend. You look like George. We even got to go inside a little man-made ice cave. How cool is that? An ice throne? I declared myself the queen of it within 30 seconds, but we're gonna watch a planetarium show. Look at this. Oh, whoa, that's beautiful. Welcome. Ooh, we're gonna watch a movie. Smart is sexy and knowledge is power. Don't forget it. You know what else is powerful? Looking cute. Y'all know dressing inappropriately for the weather is my specialty, so naturally I busted out my best winter fashions. Oh my God, look, we're in the snow. Oh. Look at this matching fuzzy fuzzulosity. Oh my goodness, our outfit today is so cute. It's a mess in the background, but ignore that. Everything in my life is always a mess in the background, but I love winter fashions. Where else can you wear a morph suit and earmuffs and just run around in snow? I just need a little bunny tail. I'm wearing a Patagonia sweater, so no offense, Patagonia. I just would never wear this. This is Alyssa's, but yeah, that tells you how cold it is.
This tells you how cold it is. This is my hair.
We're bundled up in some fuzz.
It's freezing. I'm wearing Claire's pants.
I did my outfit of the day in the street many times, much to Alyssa's dismay.
Oh, don't get run over. Grandma got run over by a car. In Iceland.
I'm gonna do my outfit of the day.
Okay, well, we're not doing it in the middle of the goddamn road.
Outfit of the day in the middle of the street. Oh my god, are you kidding me? Look at this glittery jumpsuit. Ah! Now that is an outfit. Actually, this custom made by a cool designer I found on Instagram. So shout out to Jake Abrams. Thank you very much, sir. Okay, round 2, morph suit look of the day. We are in all white snow bunny form today. Boop, boop. Woo, woo, woo. Ooh.
Vogue for me. Oh, Vogue. Yes. Woohoo!
I am very, very cold. I always say a hoe never gets cold, but you know, I think a hoe does get cold sometimes. And of course, I ate. And ate. And ate and ate and ate and ate and ate. We're drinking Icelandic water in Iceland. Cool. This is called Happy Marriage Cake, so naturally we're eating it.
Here's to a lifetime with you, baby.
Okay, so I had a coffee, but obviously I thought it'd be more fun and aesthetic to have the champagne, so look at that. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness, ice cream in the snow, I think yes.
We got some pancakes.
Viking snack, what is it? Dried fish, oh my god, ooh.
We even got to eat lunch in an Icelandic home. Look, we're eating in an Icelandic home. Hi, Buffy. How cool is this? Look at the view. What? Iceland yogurt, hot chocolate. Look at this. This is so cute. Oh my goodness. Look, we even went to a gourmet 7-course dinner. Are you ready for dinner?
I'm so excited. I love fine dining.
And I like eating. Course 1. Course 2.
Ooh, I do not know what this is.
Course 3.
Pumpkin soup in a tree.
Course 4. 5.
So this arrived on a tree. That's insane.
Mine did not arrive on a tree, but it looks good anyway. Course 6. Course 7. Course 8. Course dessert. Wow, there's so much food here. Oh my god.
Now we have more food arriving on a log.
Alyssa never takes pictures, but for this, she does.
I do.
I am definitely full. Oh, and how could I forget? I also went snowmobiling in the Arctic tundra. So, this was literally insane. We drove for basically 3.5 hours up into a glacier, and I was really, really scared.
I am
Terrified.
I'm not in a funny way. I'm in an actually afraid way.
The weather was blizzarding. It was not safe at all. I was really terrified. But turns out I didn't die, thank God.
I have full service up here. Full bars. We're nowhere.
Once we got to the top, we put on our snow gear.
Alrighty, we're getting new clothes. Darn it, this wasn't appropriate.
I did not see these two people while I was filming this, but shout out to them for making a really funny cameo. So,
You ready?
woo!
All right, guys, we're going snowmobiling in the Arctic. Hey, I've been here, I promise.
Alrighty, here we go. Woo!
The view from up here was unbelievable. As terrified as I was, it was absolutely worth it. Absolutely the #1 coolest thing I have ever done. Woo!
This is amazing.
Face your fears, kids. Well worth the fear. Did it. And last but not least, of course, since it was on my mood board this year, we went out to chase the northern lights.
Okay, we literally got Jeeps. It is pitch black outside.
I'm a little baby.
But we are in the middle of literally dead ass nowhere. Stormtrooper in it. Right, you can barely see us. We are out here chasing the northern lights. We look insane.
Unfortunately, the weather didn't show us any, but that's okay. Just means I'll have to come back. Overall, Iceland was unbelievable. Literally. I cannot believe I snowmobiled. I cannot believe I successfully didn't get frostbite in my outfits. And I can't believe how much I loved it.
It looks like a postcard. Whoa, look at this, you guys. This is unbelievable. Look at how beautiful. It's so snowy out there. Wow, look, a real swan lake. Those are swans, right? Yeah. Okay. They don't have curly necks. Oh my god, some of them are Jesus swans. They're standing on the ice.
I've just never seen such majesty in nature before, so even when it was low-key terrifying, Iceland is one of the most beautiful parts of the world that I've ever seen. Not only is it part of this beautiful world that we live in, also one of the places that is the most in danger of climate change, so please let's remember to all do our part to save it.
Hello, Icelandic kitty. Hi.
And on that note, I love you so, so, so much. Again, as I always say, thank you for giving me the world. I hope through these videos I can help give some of it back. Till next time, sweet snow angels. XO.
So we found an Icelandic joke book and we opened it, no lie, to this random page.
Sorry I'm late, sweetie. I hope you managed to fix dinner by yourself. I ate a rat.
This is me.
That's Amber. And this is me.